I came up with a great idea. Let's make an American flag. Not really sure how I'm going to do that. Going to have to look on YouTube and figure it out. I'm back. It's been about, I don't know, 2 microseconds. I did some research, found an interesting link on the ratio of the flags and the breakdown. You can put in whatever measurements you want. You punch it in. All you need to know is one dimension, either the width or the height you want, and it's going to break down for you what all each individual piece is going to be. The measurements, the offsets, like the stars, how far they offset from the edge, both up and to the side. With your stripes, the union, which is this part of your flag right here, tells you the ratio, which is 7 stripes high, 13 stripes overall. In the American flag, you have 13 stripes alternating red and white. And then, of course, the union is a blue background, which is 10.5 by 14 and 13/16. And then, of course, you got all the stars that's got to go in there, 50 stars. So, yeah, I'll probably end up buying a pattern to put in there because I am not an artist. As you can see right here, I laid this all out for myself just so I can keep track of it. My drawing is terrible. Oh yeah, just so you know, I found that interesting. I learned this. The width of our star, based on my measurements, is 1 3/16 inch, but the ratio is 4/5 the width of the stripe. So whatever your stripe width is, your star is going to be 4/5 of that. I had a pretty interesting history lesson so far. So, but now I just got to find some wood and figure out what we're gonna make this out of. Sorry about the lighting. I'm in Pop's wood stash. He don't know it though, so shh. We got poplar here. We got some oak. Piece of cypress. Another piece of cypress. Don't have enough cypress, so I think what we're gonna do is use this yellow pine right here. 1x. It's cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. It's easier to give forgiveness than it is permission, so shh. We have our 13 pieces. I'm just going to rip them down on the table saw to 1.5 inches a piece. We got 13 pieces ripped up, and now we're going to sand them, and then we're going to burn them to give them a little character. The area is going to be blue. It's 2/3 the width of the flag, which according to our calculation here is 14 and 13/16. So I'm going to mark each one of these 14 and 13/16. Take your square, make you a square line. I'm gonna take a razor blade. We're gonna pound it in on our line. Can anybody guess why we're doing that? See how this blue looks. Time for the white. And we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 3 solid pieces of white, 3 half pieces or partial pieces that make up our union, and then the rest will fill in with red. That does not look like what it looked like in the store. Never does. Our stain's had time to dry. Now it's time to lay it out and assemble this thing. Oh, half of 37 is what? 18 and a half. Now we want 32-inch spacing. Right, so we can hit our studs. Was half of 32, 16. Rookie mistake. I just realized as I started to glue this that I got the pattern backwards. Yeah. Luckily I ain't nailed it yet. We got it drying up. It's glued. It's nailed. Yeah, I got to order a star pattern, so I'll get on that right now. And we'll come back and undo this and put the star pattern on and figure out how what we're gonna do about the stars. I don't know if I'm gonna carve them or what. I really don't feel like carving 50 stars. Now we need some stars, and I ordered those, so it's gonna be like a week for me. It'll be about like 0.2 of a second for y'all. Good news, got my stars. 500 count, and I got a star pattern too. Actually, it's like 6 in 1, I believe. I'll leave the links in the description below where I got these from on Amazon. No affiliate or anything like that, just in case somebody wanted to find them and use the same ones. Phew. We can barely see that.
Yeah.
Nice if you hit it in the center.
That's the idea.
We're almost done. Throw some poly on it and we'll be good. I am using water-based poly, and I am brushing it because the weather is too crappy to spray it, and I don't have a spray booth inside, so. Let it dry, see how that looks. Well, here it is in all its glory. think it turned out okay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good jazz. If you didn't, leave a suggestion, how to improve, rather than just give me a thumbs down. But check out my other videos or the playlist. Hope everyone's doing well. Y'all take care.